To create a map in Qlik Sense, first drag and drop a map object onto your sheet and resize it if you want to make it larger. Then, click Add Layer and select Point Layer to add it to your map. As the dimension, you can add City. In Size and Shape, you can size the bubble by a measure, in this case, the sum of sales. Then, drag the sliding bar to increase the bubble size. You can then change the color of the bubble, in this case to white, and the bubble outline color, in this case to red. Now, select Options and change the legend size by selecting Large in the Show Legend drop-down menu. Then, turn on the Show Label option. In the expression editor, we are going to insert to format and aggregate the sum of sales and click Apply when finished. Then, you can center the text inside the bubble by selecting the label position. Now you have completed your map, which includes a point layer and size legend. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.